In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe fonts in Figma. If you're ready to take your design game to the next level by incorporating unique and professional fonts, then this tutorial is for you. Using Adobe fonts in Figma can elevate your design work, providing an array of choices that cater to your specific project needs. Let's dive right into the steps to seamlessly integrate Adobe fonts within Figma. First, you'll need to go to the Figma website. Figma is renowned for being a collaborative interface design tool, which means with just an internet connection, you can work on your projects from anywhere with ease. Once there, if you already have an account, proceed to click on the Login button to enter your credentials. Don't worry if you're new to Figma, signing up is straightforward and honestly totally worth exploring for any designer looking to enhance their digital toolkit. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Home section. Think of the Home section as your command center in Figma, a place where you can manage your different design files, projects, and any recent or shared work all in one convenient location. Next, head over to the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. It's essentially your canvas in Figma, where all your designing takes place. From here, you want to focus your attention on accessing fonts. Now click on Action. It might feel a little abstract initially, but this step is crucial as it opens up further options that allow you to execute specific tasks related to your design needs. Then you should search for the font picker. The font picker is a handy tool within Figma that allows you to sift through and select from the various fonts available. In this tutorial, our focus is on integrating Adobe fonts, so the next steps are integral. Once you've located the font picker, go ahead and click on it. This action prepares you for the final step in incorporating Adobe fonts within your Figma designs. Finally, click on Run. This action will open up the necessary functions to activate and use Adobe fonts, seamlessly merging them into your current design layout. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to utilize a wide range of Adobe fonts in your Figma projects, allowing for more nuanced and visually appealing designs. With these tools at your fingertips, you're equipped to bring your creative visions to life with professional flair. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different fonts to find the perfect fit for your design projects. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.